What's up guys, how are ya? On this Jeep build today, we're gonna be knocking out as much of this front end as possible. Let's get to it. What's up guys and how are ya? Welcome back to the Jeep build, and on this part, as I said, we're gonna be trying to knock out as much of this front end as possible. Now to review what we've done so far yesterday we put these two doors on here, we took the soft top off, and we replaced the windshield, okay? Now, a lot of the front end parts I got here, like the fenders and the hood, fortunately, I was able to get those local for a very good price. That bumper over there, on the other side of the Jeep, is an aftermarket bumper. I think it's gonna look really cool in this Jeep, but I was able to pick that up from Just Jeeps in Toronto, along with my soft top, a door, that windshield frame you guys see there, and a few other bits and pieces. So these front end parts, out of all the parts that I've had, have been sitting here the longest, so it's about time we get them on there. So without further ado, let's install the hood and let's install the fenders on this thing. So what we'll do now is we'll put that piece on and we'll put the hood on it. And then we'll start cutting off that bumper and putting the other bumper on. So without further ado, let's get to it. Alright, we've got the hood on, we've got the fenders on, so now that everything like that is good to go, obviously stuff like this isn't going to line up right now. After the frame straighten it will. With that being done, what I'm going to start doing now is I'm going to start bending back this bumper and taking that off so I can put that little surprise in the box over there on. So let's get to that. Oh god damn, oh jeez, I am cooked. That took a while. This last little bolt here on the bottom right corner of that took forever, because you can see here, got that piece in the way there, so I had to wrench it the whole way. I'll start unpackaging it, show you guys what it looks like first, and then we'll put it on. Let's look at this beauty. These damn things. Oh. It looks bad, man. It looks bad. Badass. That looks dirty. That looks badass. That's cool. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Let's get it on the Jeep. Well, mission not accomplished. So being that the frame is bent and I got to get the frame straightened, this thing ain't gonna sit in and it ain't gonna bolt down. So it's definitely not straight. This frame rail here, it's not butt up against there, and it's getting caught up on a bit of a flange on the inside there. So I can't install this right now. Damn it. This was gonna be the cherry on top of my cake for the day, but I mean, I can't blow up my candle, as they would say. So, although I couldn't get that bumper installed and finish the episode off that way, I am going to have to end the episode here. In the next episode, I'm going to be getting the rad cradle done, I'm going to be getting the oil pan done, and I'm also going to be getting done my shock. Now, one of my shocks on the other side, I'll bring you over here. it's really screwed up. This shock here, right here, it doesn't have any rebound left. It's all dented, it's all screwed up, it's not holding any air. So what I'm gonna do is, I got a pair of 4 Rubicon shocks that I got off another guy here in Windsor. So I'm gonna be putting all 4 of those Rubicon shocks on, and I have a lift kit that I'm gonna be putting on as well. If you guys have come this far to the video, you guys obviously like watching these videos and you feel as though you're getting entertained by that. With that said, our hands get dirty. We're working all day, all night to get these builds done. All we ask you to do when you watch these videos is just hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and if you want to be one of the first people to see these videos, go on ahead and hit that bell button. YouTube has done everything for you to make sure that you're the first ones to see it and that you actually get to see our footage. You just got to make sure that you're following the algorithm. So like that video and even comment if you guys are working on something. Peace. We'll see you in the next one.